Hey guys, good afternoon, welcome back. I am going to show you today how to crochet left 2 treble cluster and right 2 treble cluster. I am going to use a number 10 thread by Aunt Lydia's and a number 1.75 mm hook. You can use any number of thread or any number of yarn as long as it goes with the number of hook that you are going to be using, okay? Now we are going to begin. Wrap around thread on hook twice. 1, 2. We are going to begin with the right 2 treble cluster, okay? We are going to use this. We are going to use this stitch, okay? Insert hook into that stitch. Pull up thread. Draw 2 loops. Draw 2 loops. Okay, we have 2 loops on hook. We're going to repeat this one more time. Wrap around thread on hook twice. 1, 2, and then insert hook into the same space, and then pull up thread, draw 2 loops, and draw 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops on hook. Draw all loops. Okay, now we are going to do the left 2 treble cluster. Wrap around thread on hook twice, and then we are going to use, this is the 1 2 3 4 5 treble here. We are going to use the center stitch. Insert hook from the bottom to the top like this, facing up. Okay, insert hook there, pull up thread, draw 2 loops, draw 2 loops, 2 loops on hook. Repeat it one more time. Wrap around thread twice on hook, insert hook into the same stitch, pull up thread, draw 2 loops, draw 2 loops, and then pull through all loops. Okay, that's how you do the right 2 treble cluster and left 2 treble cluster. Okay, I hope this helps, and thank you for watching. Thank you for crocheting and using my pattern for your projects, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and please share and like my videos. Thank you so much. Goodbye.